In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of transferring money from PayPal directly into your Apple Wallet or consequently Apple Pay. You might be curious if there is a way to link both of these services. So to start, if you go over to the PayPal app, or the website, you go over to your wallet, the only options that you have here are to add banks, credit cards, and debit cards. And as you might be aware, the only option to transfer money from PayPal is going to be to a bank account. And because you cannot link Apple Pay as a bank account, then sadly, this means that there is no direct way to transfer money between both of these services. However, in this video, I'm going to show you a workaround. Basically, all that you have to do is connect a bank account and use it as an intermediary. So you will be transferring the money from PayPal into a bank account, and then consequently from that bank account into your Apple Wallet or your Apple's ID, so you can use it within Apple Pay. So all that you have to do is tap the option to add a bank. You can do this on the app or the website. When you choose the option to add a bank, you will usually see a list of financial institutions that you can choose from. So Bank of America, Chase, Chime, and so on. When you choose any of them, you can sign in with your credentials, and after you are signed into that specific bank account, you will be able to link it to PayPal. Alternatively, you might also have to manually include the routing number, account number, and other information. Just go through the process. Once the bank account appears under PayPal, you will be able to tap on your balance and find the transfer button. By choosing transfer, you can now include the amount of money that you want to transfer from PayPal into that bank account and finish this process. You can choose between an instant transfer, which has some fees attached to it, or a transfer that can take up to 3 business days with no fees. So pick whichever one you prefer. With all of this done, you can now link the bank account to your Apple ID or Apple Wallet, and this will allow you to transfer the money into your Apple Wallet by using something like Apple Cash. So by using the specific bank account that you transfer the money from PayPal to, you will be able to link it to Apple Pay and then consequently add money using that bank account. Just go over to the settings, tap Apple Cash, and you will be able to link a new bank account to transfer the money from. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PayPal to Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.